Damn, look at this, y'all. That's a workout right there. Damn. We've made it, y'all. Man, it was a challenge getting up the hill right here. No traction. The whole little hill was covered in ice. Well, we chugged it on up and we made it. I just hope that we can get down it safely. But here we go. Here we go. We're gonna take on these tarps with this ice on it. All right, here we go, y'all. Start by getting these bungees off. Man. Now, bungees have a tendency to snap, so I know that probably with them being kind of cold, it's probably gonna be even more of a risk of them snapping and popping in your face, so I gotta be extra careful. I feel like people watching me through them. I feel like I'm being watched. See that right there? Is that a person staring at me right there? Looking like a shadowy figure on Ghost Hunters. Anyway, I like to work smarter, not harder. Since this load is small, short load, and I got all the bungees off, I think I'm gonna just go over here and pick it up and lift this side up so it don't get caught on any edges. You know what I'm saying? But all that climbing on the side and this slippery, I'm not doing all that. Well, it's not that slippery over here. Real careful, y'all. I would hate to fall off of this bad boy. You know what I'm saying? All right. Now that I got that off, I'm gonna go back down to the other side. Look at all that snow. And try to pull it down as flat as possible. You gotta be extra careful, man. I'm gonna try to pull this as flat as possible so that it's not inside out. It's just flat on the correct side, and all I gotta do is fold it. Smarter, not harder. Smarter, not harder. Fall flat, fall flat, fall flat, fall flat. Come on. Come on, look at that ice. Oh, oh yeah. Come on. Fall flat. Oh shit, I forgot a bungee. No. Now how I'm gonna get all that ice off? I don't know. This would be a perfect time to have a shovel or something, huh? We flatbedding in the winter. If y'all could leave me any tips, please do. Any tricks, really. I need to know some tricks, man. Tricks of the trade. What this guy gonna say to me? I think I'm gonna leave the little crumbles in there because eventually they'll melt. I hope if I get to warmer weather, I'm not sure. But I try to get as much of it off as possible. It's so funny when I like show my family and friends the snow. They're always like, oh my God, you're so lucky you get to be in the snow. No, listen here, listen to me and listen closely. It's not what you think, okay? It's not what you think. It's not, you know, this is not fun and games. Try to fold these as best as possible, man. With them frozen, ain't really, I mean, it ain't too bad. It's actually not folding bad. So we're gonna see how good we can get it. If we can get it nice and snug, we can put it in the box. If we can't, then it's going right on top of the trailer. Sometimes you have no option. Oh yeah, this is not gonna be a good fold. I can already tell by how wide I got this. It'll still fit. And then that blue one, that one can just go on the, oh shit. That one can just go on the thing. Wait. It might fit, it might not. I don't know. Yeah, that's ugly. Damn. I'm gonna just leave it. I'm gonna leave it. Had a forklift put that one up there. And if I fold this one better and tighter, I'll put that one in there. Or it can go up there too. But, I mean, we're working what we got. All right. Damn, look at this, yo. That's a workout right there. Yeah. Man, I had to take a short break. Got a little too cold out there. Had to come in and get some of this heat, you feel me? Because I'm not trying to get, what's it called, hypothermia? I'll be out there looking like a damn snowman with a tarp stuck on my shoulder. All right, get back to it, man. We're almost done. Excuse me. Man, these things are frozen solid. Look at this. Almost done though. Almost. This is one of the cool things about the terminal here at Melton. You can go fishing, but you can't take the fish and eat them. You gotta throw them back. So I'll save the hassle. I'd rather eat the fish. I'm not gonna spend no time fishing just to throw it back. Nah, but I get why they do that. We're just out here taking a walk, me and the dog. Truck is in the shop, finally made it to a terminal. Got a few things wrong with the truck. Got a air leak going on, inverter, CB radio fuse, EPU needs a filter. And I haven't been here in 5 months, so things happen. I'll tap back in with y'all. Just when the sun was shining earlier, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh yeah, it's finna come down, y'all. Oh yeah, it's finna come down. This is more than rain. This is hell. It's finna start hailing, man. Whoa. I'm like, should I even be in the front seat right now, y'all? Oh shoot. I'm 27 years old and I still cover my ears to thunder, man. I don't care. Y'all know where I'm from. We don't get this. Oh, it's going down. You all right, Diesel? You scared, buddy? It's all right. I was finally able to get my inverter fixed. So, you know, had to make it a home away from home. Got the lights put back on. Watching some YouTube. Got the Wi-Fi going, Xbox. Able to play games online now. Look, if you're a trucker and you're looking for some good internet, Verizon home internet, man, you could take it anywhere that Verizon works. Haven't had any problems with it so far. I believe T-Mobile and Metro PCS has one as well. So check them out. I don't know why my Xbox is so dirty. Add me on Xbox, The Vicious Killer. I'll put it in the comments below. We can get some Call of Duty going, some GTA going. Whatever you want to play, I'm down to play. Shout out Trey So True. I've been watching his vlogs. These are the kind of people that I admire right here. Young folk out there getting it. You know what I'm saying? Trying to stay out of trouble. Keep it up, man. And remember what I told you. Blessings is always on the other side of the struggle. Don't give up. Don't give in. And good luck on your fast too, by the way, because my hungry ass, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to do anything like that. We was able to get the tablet too. You feel what I'm saying? You know, I was on Qualcomm since I've been here, but we upgraded to the tablet. I ain't really got to use it yet, but we gonna see tomorrow when we get a load. Until next time, y'all, I'm out. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'll see y'all on the flip side. Peace.